Hello everyone, Cindy here with Monarch Mom DIY. Excited to be bringing you this unboxing of the March 2026 Grabie Scrapbook Club box. The theme, if you can't tell by the outside of the box, is all about pets. It's called My Furry Family. So let's take a peek at what is included in the complete scrapbook subscription box. Remember, you can purchase the entire box or just the collage book. So this is a wood stamp. It is a month grid that you can use as a little planner. It comes with blue and brown ink pads. We've got some border stickers, and what these look like is if you peel off the center and put a picture behind, it looks kind of like one of those Polaroid type photos that comes out of those Instamatic. I can't remember what they're called, but the newer version of the Polaroid camera. So these would be really fun to decorate your pages with if you were doing photos of your pets. There you can see what I'm talking about. Take off the center there, and then you have the border that you can put around some photos. Next in the box, we've got some really cute playful puppy nail stickers. Super fun. Then is a little stationery set that is a cat or kitten theme. You've got some sheets of writing paper as well as some decorative envelopes. I know exactly who I am gifting these to. My good friend who loves cats. You always get a Grabie sticker, and then the highlight of every box, in my opinion, is the collage book. So I'm going to speed this up just a little bit to show you what the pages look like. Again, you're getting magnetic bookmarks this year in each of the collage books. All right. And a feature that you may not know about is every single page in these books are perforated, and so they are very easy to pull out. So I'm just going to let you take a peek at all the beautiful images, stickers, die cuts, vellum papers, all sorts of fun things based on our furry friends that are included in the March 2026 Grabie collage book called My Furry Friends. So as I'm flipping through these images, I'm thinking that it might be fun to create a dog-themed junk journal and a cat-themed junk journal that I could then sell either in my Etsy or at my craft shows. Let me know if you guys would be interested in seeing a follow-up video to this unboxing of me taking some of the items in this collage book and actually creating a journal or a scrapbook with it. Let me know in the comments if you would be interested in that idea. And that is the March 2026 Grabie Scrapbook Box and Collage Book. Be sure to check the description of the video for a discount code, and let me know once again if you'd be interested in seeing me make a junk journal or scrapbook using the dog and cat themes. Thanks so much and have a great day. Bye.